Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video we will talk about what is a scroll lock key. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share. Please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. The content of our video for today is provided us by Computer Hope. Thank you so much Computer Hope for giving us this information. So what is scroll lock key? Sometimes abbreviated as SLCK, SRLK, or SLK. The scroll lock key is found on a computer keyboard, often located close to the pause key. The scroll lock key was initially intended to be used in conjunction with the arrow keys to scroll through the contents of a text box. It has also been used to stop the scrolling of text or halt the operation of a program. The picture shows a scroll lock key with an LED or light emitting diode may look like on a keyboard. Today, the key is rarely used. Okay guys, so this is the end of our short video of the meaning or function of scroll lock key in the keyboard. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.